guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a Simply Gilded haul like usual. Actually, I think I have about 2 a month these days. It's like the only thing I'm buying. So this is the card I got. Belief in yourself. This is so cute. Like that, I'm not gonna lie, this is probably like the cutest one I've received. There was a cat one, I think, or like a, ooh, just kicked my screen, a leopard one that was really cute, but I haven't gotten that one yet. And then this is the little freebie bow I got. I think this is the new neutral color, or is this the peach? This might be the peach from like last month's box, the May box. And I also may or may not have my June subscription coming at some point, like today. All right, so this is my reorder from my lost package. So if you guys remember, I had a package lost and I was so sad. It's when Purple Mist was re-released and it was lost. I'll zoom in. My package was lost, so I was so sad, but she ended up giving me a refund. Her customer service is impeccable and I can't say enough good things. So never fear ordering from her. So this is the Purple Mist, which is like a very light purple with hollow. Louis is biting probably some wires at this point. He's the devil cat. So this was also lost, and then this was lost as well. But I think the one I originally ordered had, this was not the gold, it was the rose gold or the pink hot foil. I can't tell the difference. I don't know the difference, but this one is the gold. I'm pretty sure that was the case. I could be lying, but I'm pretty sure that was the case. And so the one that was re-released is the gold one. Oh. Also, shiny object syndrome. So this I did not get to reorder, but I ordered this on the buy sell trade and they didn't mark them up too much. I think I paid $20 for the set. And I think that was shipped. I'm like 80% sure that was shipped. This is the one, hi Demi. This is the one that I was so sad about losing. Like this is the one I ordered and then the rest were just like bonuses. He's literally chewing my wires. I know, you're having, like, I need attention. I got it. So this is not, again, part of the order because this wasn't re-released for the, but it was on the buy, sell, trade. That's it. I speak more good, but yeah, this is like the rose gold, I believe. So I figured I would go ahead and include it but even though it's not part of the order, but it was part of like the whole thing. And so this is where it kind of stinks. So I'm an idiot and I ordered so fast, even though nothing sold out when I reordered, except for maybe Purple Mist and like maybe these two sold out. I can't get that in frame because I'm too zoomed in. So this is from the Tropical Collection, which I now have. So I accidentally ordered this guy because I originally thought it was like candy. I just ordered too fast, but that's okay. I'm not like terribly mad at it. I'm selling it on Instagram right now, hopefully. If not, I will post it on the buy, sell, trade. I'm selling my things at price. I'm not one of the people that's like, oh, $100 for a piece of washing. No, ain't nobody got time for that. So this is also where it kind of stinks. So when I ordered last time, I was able to order things individually, as in like the 15 millimeters came in a set and the 10 millimeters came in a set. And unfortunately this time that was not the case. So I had to order them in, I'll zoom out just a tad, in their grouping, I guess. So now I have an extra set of these guys, which I'm also selling on my Instagram. So they may be gone. If not, I will put them on the buy, sell, trade. And again, I'm selling them at cost. Like I think it was, I posted a photo of these guys on Instagram and I was like, okay, well, $24 because it's 8 and then 4 So, and then $4 for shipping. So I will take a hit on the PayPal fees, but you know what? It is what it is. Like, you know, not mad at it because I made the mistake. But yeah, so these are what I originally wanted. So these and this and this. And I feel like this was also part of the order. Like these were all the ones that I was missing. I was like, oh my God, I need to get them. But you know, Dean, oh my God, he is, come on, come here, get out. Ay, ay, ay. Sorry, this is gonna be a messy haul for you guys. But yeah, so these are all duplicates over here, the new stuff. So yeah, that is my order. And like I said, I may or may not be having the monthly kit here soon. Not in the same video because I don't know when it's going to show up and I want to film this and I'm going to film a plan with me. So yeah. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. I will catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.